Ever wondered why your body behaves the way it does? Prepare to have your mind blown by these top 10 astonishing facts about the human body. We'll journey through the acidic environment of your stomach, marvel at the power of your brain, and reveal the regenerative magic of your skin. We'll also explore the resolution of your eyes, the lifelong marathon of your heart, and much more. Are you ready to delve into the amazing world of the human body? Let's begin our countdown. Starting at number 10, did you know that your stomach's acid is strong enough to dissolve metal? No kidding. This is because your stomach contains hydrochloric acid, a potent substance that breaks down the food you eat into a soupy mixture, preparing it for further digestion. The stomach acid, with a pH level that can dip down to 1, is comparable to the acidity of battery acid. This corrosive brew is so powerful that it could eat through a piece of zinc or even a nail given enough time. But wait, how come this acid doesn't eat through your stomach? Well, your stomach has a secret weapon, a thick, gooey mucus that coats its walls. This mucus forms a protective barrier that shields the stomach lining from the damaging effects of the acid. Moreover, the stomach cells are constantly regenerating, replacing the old damaged ones, and ensuring the stomach lining stays intact. So, your stomach is essentially a built-in chemistry lab. Moving on to number 9, your brain is more powerful than any computer in the world. This 3-pound organ is an unrivaled powerhouse. It's not just about the brain's processing speed, which is estimated to be equivalent to 1 million gigabytes, or about 1 billion megabytes. It's also about its capacity to store memories, a feat no supercomputer can match. Consider this, your brain can retain an estimated 1 quadrillion pieces of information. That's a staggering amount, right? And it doesn't stop there. Your brain is packed with approximately 100 billion neurons, each capable of connecting with 10,000 others. This intricate network forms the basis of all your thoughts, emotions, and actions. So the next time you're amazed by the latest technological breakthrough, remember this. Nestled within your skull is the most sophisticated system known to mankind. Your brain, the ultimate supercomputer. At number 8, your skin is constantly regenerating itself. Ever wondered why a scrape or a cut doesn't leave a permanent mark? That's due to the magic of skin regeneration. This process is a fascinating dance of biology, where skin cells, or keratinocytes, are the star performers. They start their journey in the deepest layer of the skin, the basal layer. From there, they slowly migrate upwards, maturing along the way into the tough, protective cells we see and touch every day. These cells serve as your body's first line of defense against the outside world. They shield your body from harmful elements and work tirelessly to repair any damage. But their life isn't a long one. On average, it takes about 28 days for a skin cell to complete its journey and be naturally sloughed off. This continuous cycle of growth and shedding ensures that your skin is always in a state of renewal. So, in a way, your skin is always brand new. 7th on our list, your eyes have a resolution of 576 megapixels. Now let's put that into perspective. The best cameras on the market today are typically around 100 megapixels. That's less than 1/5 of what your eyes can perceive. But it's not just about the megapixels. The human eye is a complex organ, capable of distinguishing nearly 10 million colors. And it doesn't stop there. Your eyes can also perceive depth, giving you a 3-dimensional view of the world around you. This is something even the most advanced cameras struggle to replicate. The ability to perceive colors, depth, and high-resolution images all at once is what makes the human eye an absolute marvel of biological engineering. So, the next time you're looking out at a beautiful sunset or a vibrant cityscape, remember, your eyes are doing something truly remarkable. Aren't your eyes just the perfect camera? Number 6, your heart beats about 100,000 times a day. Now let's delve into the tireless journey of your heart. This muscular organ, roughly the size of your clenched fist, keeps you alive by pumping blood throughout your body. It's a non-stop endurance race that never takes a break. The heart is a champion when it comes to endurance, beating consistently from the time you're a mere 4 weeks old in your mother's womb until your last moment. It's a marathon runner that never stops, even when you're sleeping. And the distance your blood travels in a single day, well, it's nothing short of extraordinary. Your blood journeys an astounding 60,000 miles a day. That's equivalent to traveling around the globe more than 2 times. This phenomenal organ is constantly working, relentlessly sending oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body. It's a marvel of nature's engineering. Your heart is truly a tireless worker. Halfway through at number 5, your blood travels a total distance of 12,000 miles per day. That's like crossing the United States from coast to coast, 4 times over. Isn't that mind-blowing? Now let's talk about blood. It's more than just a red liquid in our veins. It's a lifeline, a courier system that delivers oxygen and nutrients to every cell in our body, from the top of our head to the tips of our toes. Imagine the circulatory system as a vast network of highways, roads, and tiny alleys. Our blood cells are the vehicles constantly on the move, ensuring that every cell gets what it needs to function properly. They also whisk away waste products like carbon dioxide, keeping our body clean and healthy. So the next time you sit still, remember that inside you, there's a non-stop, bustling traffic of life-giving blood cells. Your body is like a busy highway for blood cells. Coming in at number 4, your bones are as strong as steel but much lighter. Picture a skyscraper, a towering feat of engineering. Now imagine that same skyscraper, but instead of steel and concrete, it's made of bones. Sounds absurd, right? But the truth is, your bones are just as strong, if not stronger than steel. So, what makes our bones so tough? It's all thanks to a composite material containing both collagen and calcium phosphate. These two components work together to provide both strength and flexibility. The collagen gives bones their flexibility, while the calcium phosphate provides the hardness necessary for them to withstand pressure. But here's the kicker: despite their strength, bones are incredibly light. They have a honeycomb-like structure inside, known as trabeculae, which gives them their lightness. This structure supports your body weight while allowing you to move with ease. Your bones are the unsung heroes of your body. On the podium at number 3, if unfolded, your lung surface area would be roughly the size of a tennis court. Imagine that. But why do they need to be so large? Well, the lungs are the body's oxygen suppliers. They take in oxygen from the air we breathe and pass it into our bloodstream, where it's whisked off to the cells in our body that need it. At the same time, they take waste carbon dioxide from our blood and breathe it out. This gas exchange happens in tiny air sacs in the lungs called alveoli. There are hundreds of millions of alveoli in our lungs, and it's their combined surface area that's so large. The more surface area there is, the more oxygen we can take in with each breath. This essential function of our lungs is one of the reasons why maintaining their health is so crucial. Without enough surface area for gas exchange, we simply couldn't live. Breathe easy, your lungs have got you covered. At number 2, your body is made up of about 60% water. That's right, more than half of you is essentially H2O. This vital liquid plays a significant role in your body, facilitating crucial biological functions. Let's drill down a bit. Did you know that your brain and heart are composed of about 73% water? Even your lungs are about 83% water. Your muscles and kidneys? They're around 79% water, and even your bones are watery at about 31%. Water serves as a lubricant for our joints, helps regulate our body temperature through sweating and respiration, and aids in flushing waste primarily through urination. It's also a key ingredient in the production of saliva and the maintenance of healthy skin. But it's not just about having water in our bodies. Staying hydrated is equally important. Dehydration can lead to some serious health problems, from simple fatigue to life-threatening conditions. So, remember to keep your inner water world replenished. And finally, at number 1, if uncoiled, the DNA in all the cells in your body would stretch 10 billion miles from here to Pluto and back. Can you believe it? That's the marvel of DNA, the blueprint of life. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is like a twisted ladder, or a double helix. Each rung of this ladder is a pair of nucleotides, adenine with thymine, cytosine with guanine, spelling out the genetic code that makes you uniquely you. But what's even more mind-blowing is the sheer length of this microscopic structure. If we could straighten out the DNA in just one of your cells, it would be about 6 feet long. Now imagine this multiplied by the trillions of cells in your body. This enormous length is neatly packed into each tiny cell, directing the cell's functions and carrying the instructions for all our genetic traits. Your body truly is a marvel of nature's engineering. And there you have it, the top 10 astonishing facts about the human body. From the marvel of engineering that is our structure, to the acidic environment of the stomach, the power of our brain, and the regenerative ability of our skin. Not to mention the high resolution of our eyes, the lifelong marathon of our heart, the long journey of blood cells, our bone density, the vast surface area of our lungs, and our body's water content. Remember, your body is a masterpiece. Take good care of it.